Hi, this is John from TheRingLord.com. I'll be demonstrating a 3/4 Persian. And this is a strange weave. The main reason for making it is for wrapping cabs. So here's an example of a cab, which is just a laser engraved wooden disc. And you can see how the 3/4 Persian has this nice cupping action where it can grab both sides of a cab. Now you can just make this from a piece of full Persian where you just take one side out of it. However, if you're doing lots of this, then that sort of becomes a bit of a waste of time. So we'll be using 16 gauge 3/8 of an inch rings. And we're going to start it with a tiny little piece of full Persian, just because the 3/4 Persian isn't quite stable enough. So we'll just need to take one ring out when we're done. So starting just with two rings going through two other rings, I'll just loop it onto a big snap ring here. And make a small little piece of full Persian. Now we're just going to add this ring that flips back onto the one side. So that is it for that step, and then we just proceed with adding the two rings. But in this case, they're only going through that one ring, and you can see it's already sort of opening up on that side. Now, typically for a cab the size that we're wrapping, I'd use like an 18 gauge 5/16 probably. These will be a little bit too big. And then at some point we can just take out this one ring right there, and then the whole strip will be the 3/4 Persian. And when you do make it all the way around your cab, you then need to first of all connect it, and second of all have it just perfectly tight enough. So you'll get a little bit of stretch out of your rings. And another little trick is you can oval some of your rings, just using a big plier, preferably with teeth. So you make it so it's a little bit too tight, and then you just grab a ring this way with a plier with good grip, and if you just squeeze it a little bit, you'll make your ring just a little bit oval, which will make it just a tiny little bit longer. And you sort of do that to as many rings sort of as needed, just so you get an absolute perfect fit going around your cab.